Today in Kaylee's kitchen, we're going to keep up with how to make my famous ooey gooey Oreo Rice Krispie treats. These are a favorite. They are easy and quick to make, and you will not want to miss out. So all you need is a few ingredients, just a few. You want your Oreos, your standard Oreos, 5 tablespoons of butter, Himalayan pink salt to balance out that sweetness, 2 bags of mini marshmallows because I love a lot of marshmallows in my Rice Krispie treats, and then your crispy rice cereal. So next thing you're going to do is pop that 5 tablespoons of butter into your pan. So what I like to do with my butter is I like to let it sit in there just a little bit and slightly brown, almost a little golden yellow, and it makes this nice nutty aroma, not over the top. Now take the mini marshmallows, you pop in that whole bag and then half of that second bag. And that's going to give your Rice Krispie treats that really nice ooey gooey texture. Mix your butter and marshmallows together, and you're going to just keep blending them in, and it'll slowly melt down. Add in half a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. Like I said, that saltiness really breaks down that extra sugar that you're going to get through the marshmallows and the Oreos. Now take just as many Oreos as you really want. Depends on how Oreo-y you like it. I take about 10 Oreos and I crush them into the melted marshmallow mixture. And then at the end, I'll add in a few more. I just eyeball it, you know? So that's going to be your base, and you're just going to mix that together so that the Oreos kind of blend in with that marshmallow mixture, and then you're going to add in 6 cups of your rice cereal. That's about half of your cereal bag, so you just pour that in there, and you want to start mixing pretty quickly because even though the heat is on, it's not on high enough for it to not start to harden. So there's your mixture, that's the base of it, but it's not done yet, you guys. This is what makes it delicious and definitely not nutritious. So you're going to pop in that other half of mini marshmallows, and these are going to be whole. They're not going to melt, so they're going to add that nice chewy texture. On top of that chewy texture, we're going to add some crunch. So I add in some extra whole Oreos. I crunch them up some and just have them kind of like halved, quartered, and just kind of mess it all around. Whatever. It doesn't matter as long as you get bites of Oreo into your Rice Krispie treats. That's what tastes so good. Alright, so this is going to be your final mixture base, and it is all blended together. You get those mini marshmallow chunks, those chunks of Oreos, and you're going to want to pop that into your pan quickly. Turn off that heat and put it into your pan. I didn't have a long flat pan, I just have this deep dish pan, which works just fine. They're just going to be thicker and larger. A little tip about your spatula, wet the back of it so that you can flatten out your Rice Krispie treats. It's really easy and a lot better than using your hands. I also really wanted to add more toppings because your girl is a toppings girl, so I added more mini marshmallows and Oreo chunks to the top. It's very eye-appealing as well. But look how delicious this looks! Okay, so you're going to want to cut out a piece, obviously, because you can't wait. So this is still semi-hot, which gives it that nice ooey gooeyness. Look at that, you guys, that pull away. It is beautiful. It's so good. But once it starts to harden, you're still going to get that chewy texture. It's just going to be a little more of a bounce back in a sense. It's just going to be a little thicker and not so melty, but it's so delicious once you cool them down. I actually like them a little cooler than warm, but look at that. It's such a good treat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you want to go make them. Let me know if you did. Thanks for watching. Bye.